Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents Control Diabetes, Cholesterol, Liver Problems, and Eliminate Accumulated Fat. A lot of people spend a great sum of money on medications to treat various diseases, although they are causing unwanted side effects. Moreover, certain medications can provoke severe damage to your health. That's why a lot of people turn to the natural alternative medicine. Such remedies are completely safe, cheap, and highly effective, but often need more time to provide the desired results. Cilantro, also known as coriander or parsley, is one of the most beneficial and popular natural remedies, which has been commonly used as a natural remedy for high cholesterol levels, diabetes, liver and pancreas problems, and excess body fat. Its regular use will fortify the teeth, hair and bones and help you support the healthy cardiovascular function. Here are some of the numerous benefits it offers. It controls blood sugar levels, eliminates heavy metals from the body, prevents oxidative stress, improves sleep and treats anxiety, treats urinary tract infections. It helps digestion. It prevents the accumulation of fat in the body, prevents colon cancer. It acts as a powerful diuretic, treats ulcers, treats digestive issues and diarrhea. It boosts the liver function. Cilantro prevents the oxalates accumulation in the kidneys and the formation of kidney stones. Relieves skin irritations. It treats conjunctivitis and other eye problems. Prepare the following cilantro remedy at home and you will prevent the formation of kidney stones, lower high cholesterol and blood sugar levels, and eliminate excess body fat. Ingredients: a handful of cilantro, a pot of water. Directions: boil the water and then add the chopped herbs in it. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. Then let the mixture cool down and strain it. Next, drink it. Make a larger amount of this tea and store it in the fridge. Drinking this cilantro tea on a regular basis will prevent the kidney stones formation and at the same time improve your overall health. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.